48 years old is not, retirement age. So I just felt it was the right time to change, to have a change in my life and follow something that I 100% enjoy. I've always had a passion for cooking, and I found ICCA and came and checked out the facilities and enrolled to take their cookery course. Hi, I'm Chris Graham. I'm from the United Kingdom / the United States. I've been living in Dubai for 12 years now. I've worked in corporate my entire life, 25 years, in IT and office equipment around the world. And I've been in Dubai, as I said, for 12 years now. And I just decided that, at this stage in my life, I wanted to change. My experience here has been, they've really taught you what it's like to work in the industry from the very beginning all the way through to a full career in culinary. It's been a great experience. I've been part of 2 events for graduation, 2 graduation events, and the skills and everything that I've been taught have been very, very good. It's long days on your feet, which I was not really expecting, but that's all part of the culinary industry and careers. So yeah, I want to thank ICCA for the time that I've had here. It's been thoroughly enjoyable. The instructors, the chefs, they're all great people, and they've been very hands-on and helping me develop and learn to become a better chef. And I would recommend the college for anybody that wants to go into culinary industry, even if it's just for amateur or for fun. It's a great experience.